Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use an Efile on natural nails. Start by selecting a gentle bit and setting the machine to a low speed. This protects the nail plate and prevents heat buildup. Keep movements light and parallel to the nail surface, removing product in thin layers. Pause to assess nail thickness, and always finish with a gentle buffer and cuticle oil to restore moisture and shine. In this video, I will show how to use an Efile on natural nails. Begin by understanding that lower RPMs reduce heat and vibration, making the process safer and more comfortable. Choose ceramic or fine carbide bits designed for gentle product removal and avoid coarse grits near the cuticle. Keep the handpiece moving and use light pressure, focusing on thin product layers so natural nail integrity remains intact throughout the service. In this video, I will show how to use an Efile on natural nails. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during appointments with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits in salon bags easily. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use an Efile on natural nails. Maintain a steady pen-like grip and move the bit in small feathering strokes to remove product gently. Keep an eye on nail thickness and client feedback to avoid overwork, and frequently inspect the bit for buildup. Use a dust extractor or vacuum where possible, and finish by soothing the nail with oil and a soft buffer to seal the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.